Today's notes is over slope. So we're going to start with slope from a table. So we use rate of change in y over change in x. So we're going to look at how the y values are changing. So I like to start from the bottom of the table. So I do last minus the previous. So 234 minus 156. 234 minus 156 is 78. And then I'll do last minus the previous for the change in x. So 6 minus 4. 6 minus 4 is 2. So 78 divided by 2 is 39. So that is from a table. From a graph, we use rise over run. So it's still change in y over change in x, because rise is y values, run is the x values. So from one point to the other, how much does it rise? 2. How much does it run? 3. So the rise is 2, the run is 3. So therefore the slope is 2 over 3. From an equation, if it is in this form, this is called slope-intercept form, the slope is the coefficient of x, the m. Not the x, but the coefficient of the x. So in this example, the slope is 3 over 4. Okay, and if it's in this form, which is called standard form, we have to solve for y. So I'm going to write that problem down at the bottom, and we're going to solve for y. So we've been doing this, so you should know how to do it. 2, you're going to subtract 2x on both sides. Copy everything down. And then divide by the number in front of y. So you get y equals negative 2/3 x plus 2. So the slope is negative 2/3. Lastly, slope from 2 points. It's y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So first we're going to label. Remember, ordered pairs are x comma y. So this is x, y, x, y. This is your first x value, your first y value. Second x value, second y value. So this is, we're going to start with y2. Our y2 is 8 minus our y1, which is 5, over your x2, which is 4, minus your x1, which is negative 2. So 8 minus 5 is 3. 4 minus negative 2 is 6. Remember, a negative, and whenever you minus a negative, they change into positive. So that's how I got 6, because 4 plus 2 is 6. So 3 over 6 is 1/3.